Good day, this is Harald with the next part of the SkyCracker assembly video. Have your body tube ready and get a surface that you don't mind spilling on. Last time we were assembling the motor mount assembly, so now we just check how does it fit. It's very loose, so we're going to fix that with layers of masking tape. The reason why it doesn't fit as nicely as it should is because the tubes are not consistent in diameter. So we'd rather go for a little bit small that you can fix by adding masking tape to the centering ring. Really better. Okay. So it's 3 layers. Sorry, the camera is struggling to focus. In the olden days, you could set your focus to infinity and then it wouldn't struggle focusing and it would be clear the whole time. But these days, the phone manufacturers assume they know better than what we do what we want. So now we are going to apply a bead of glue around the inside of the tube. But before we do that, this 10mm L bracket is used for the motor retention and goes to the back side, this side. The screw eye is a thin one. We try to buy these, but sometimes they send us these by mistake. Because, you know, it's all the same, which it's not. So, the hole for the screw eye, you can either use this, that one for the recovery harness, or the one that's been pre-laser cut into the centering ring. So, make sure it's flat. and you attach your recovery harness to this. You may hear the dogs in the background. So take your recovery harness, put it through the loop, and tie a loop knot. Take your body tube and lower your recovery harness down the tube. Try not to touch the glue on the sides. Of course, silly me, forgot to do this before applying the bead of glue. So, carefully we insert it in and rotate it in. Take some more glue and apply another generous bead of glue. So in, spreading the glue around the surface. Put it down on the surface so it's nice and even, and put it aside to dry. Once it's dry, we will mark out the fins. In the meantime, you might have several versions of the nose cone. One has a hole through for the recovery harness, this one does not. So you take a screw eye and screw it into the nose cone. It's not the prettiest. I was testing a feature in the slicer. It came out acceptable, but not my quality. So we make a loop knot, twist it around, pull it through, pull it over the nose cone, pull it back through the screw eye, and now it's securely attached. Take your recovery harness and just feed it back into the tube for now. So we have this done. Okay, as you can see, it's a little loose. So once again, reach for your masking tape and right underneath the step in the nose cone. I usually call it a shoulder. Apply a few layers of masking tape. Please note, round objects has a tendency to roll. So put it down on something with a dip. I've seen people reach for scissors when working with masking tape. That's up to you. But remember, masking tape is paper. So we've got everything in there. That's a nice slide and it doesn't wiggle too much. So we now leave this to dry. The best option is putting it upright on a level surface. If you buy one of my assembly kits, you will get one of these stands, which is also used during this phase to keep everything upright. And the fin marking tool for either 4 fins or 3 fins. So just little things to make this process easier. Thank you for watching. The next video will be the fin assembly. And then basically this rocket is ready. We just need to attach the parachute and the fins and the launch slug. There are 2 options for the launch slug. We will discuss that during the fin assembly. Have a nice day.